I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Today, we are taking a vibrant walking tour of Barcelona's Somorrostro Beach Festival 2023 in 4 Kelvin. Get ready to experience the lively and colorful atmosphere of one of the most significant beach festivals in Spain. Before we start our tour, please make sure to click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel videos. Don't forget to write a comment below to let us know what you think of the festival.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
The Somorrostro Beach Festival is held annually in the summer months of July and August, attracting both locals and tourists alike. The festival showcases the rich culture, music, food, and art of the region, with various activities and performances taking place throughout the day. As we make our way to the festival, the first thing that catches our eyes is the colorful decorations and lively atmosphere of the streets leading to the beach. People dressed in bright colors are dancing and singing to the sound of music, creating a fun and festive atmosphere. Upon reaching the festival grounds, we are greeted by an explosion of colors, music, and scents. From food and drink stalls to live music and art exhibitions, the festival offers a wide range of activities that cater to every taste and age group. One of the most significant attractions of the festival is the live performances by famous local and international artists, which take place every day throughout the festival. The performances range from traditional Spanish music and dance to contemporary rock and pop concerts, ensuring that there is something for everyone to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!